Alright guys, here we are. We parked across the road from where the waterfall is at, and we're going to be making our way down. It's about a 30-minute hike down to the shack, but the waterfall is about 5 minutes, so we'll check that out and make sure to get some good shots. Oh, this is the waterfall here. It's called the St Croix Falls. We're going to go take a little quick view underneath of it. And yeah, we got about a 20-minute walk down to the old sea shack. Well, on our way down, guys, we found a little camp thing, so maybe eventually at some point I'll have to come back and maybe do a camping trip here. It looks like there's a lot of wood. Bucket for your fire. Little fire pit. Be a nice little clearing, be a good little spot to go to. Cheers. Well, it looks like we're halfway there. There's a marker here, so we're just going to keep following the stream down and hopefully we'll get to it soon. Well, we followed this creek all the way down, and this is just down at the shore here, and that's the little sea shack right up there. So I'm going to make my way up and take a quick little video for you guys. Look, there's a pair of rubber boots. So yeah, there's even a little pathway carved up through here for us to get to it. Yeah, and this is what it looks like. Let's give you guys a walk around and then show you the inside. Look, there's even an old life jacket here. Standard adult, over 40 kilograms. Yeah, here's what it looks like inside. Not sure how good the lighting might be. I'll turn my phone light on. It's not too bad. So yeah, just your typical little Maritimes thing. There's some buoys on the walls and an old lobster trap. It's probably used by fishermen back in the day. Lots of buoys and yeah. Beer case. Not too sure what that is. If any of you have an idea, just let me know. And there's even a guest logbook here, and there's quite a few names in here. Someone was here May 29th, actually, just yesterday. A lot of names here. This goes all the way back to July 2020. Oh, the name of it. The Fish Shack. Very nice. And there's some other logbooks that were here, and August 28th, lots of things like that. Some old wood, even a chair. If someone wanted to go camping, they definitely could go camping here. Prime real estate, we get a great view of the ocean. So yeah. That's the Sea Shack. Anyways, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll be back again for another adventure soon.